In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create your own font styles with the power of Canva. Today we're going to take a simple letter, we're going to add some floral swirls inside them to help you generate sales for big event customers. So if you've ever been to a wedding and you've seen a glass with a name and it has the floral swirls around them, I'm going to show you how to create something like that to help you build the confidence that you need to tackle on big events. Hey, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic designing to digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts and embroidery. Today, we're going to learn how to create wedding decorations for big events. So we're going to take a simple letter. We're going to add some flower swirls to this letter. We're going to weld it together and we're going to come up with a nice image, and then we're going to go ahead and place it on a glass mock-up. By applying these simple steps should build the confidence that you need to be able to tackle on any big event when an opportunity comes knocking on your door. If you do find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. So stick around to the very end to get the full benefit of this tutorial. Grab a pen and paper and let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so we're in our custom size board, and all we're going to do is select our size. So what I like to choose is the biggest canvas I can make. I'm going to click on 5,000 by 5,000, and that's going to bring up this canvas board here. And then from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit T for text. That's going to prompt me a path, and then I'm just going to click A, because A is the first letter of the alphabet. We'll just do that one for this project. And then from here, I'm just going to click on Canvas Sans, and we're going to look for something simple. Okay, so we'll look now you can choose your font later on, but for this particular video, we'll just use Archivo Black. Alright, so what we got to do is we are just going to go to Elements, and we're going to click on our shapes, and we're just going to bring this up to the corner. We'll just shape it around the A here, and we'll just bring that kind of towards the center. And then all we're going to do now is we're going to click on the shapes, and we're going to change this to black. All right, and then we're just going to go to positions, and we're going to bring this down. Okay, and your A should be up on top. You just click on it, and we're going to change the color to white. All right, all we're going to do is just hit download, and we're not going to click anything in here. We're just going to select download, and then once that is up, we'll go ahead and hit add page, and we're going to bring that in. And we'll just scale this back out. Okay, and then from here, we're going to select it, and we're going to hit edit. We're going to hit background remover. And then now you should be able to see that it is hollow inside it by simply just clicking on this again. And you can see there's nothing inside that A. Okay, and then from here you're going to go to your Elements tool, and you're going to type in curly floral swirl. Curly floral swirl. Okay, and then pause the video, search for this image right here where you could see this one. Okay, and it's quite a ways down, but you'll find it. Okay, and then once you find it, go ahead and let's follow along again. Alright, so now what we'll do is we're going to turn this, we'll flip this, I don't know, 15 degrees. We'll blow this up, scale it back down. Okay, and then we'll just change this color to black, just for right now. From here is I'm going to right click on the image, and then I'm going to layer this to the back. Okay. And we're going to select background remover. Okay, so now you got your image in the background, and how cool is that? Okay, now that you got that scaled back, what we want to do is change the background to white. So how we're going to do that is we're just going to go back up to edit, and we're going to select dual tone, and we're going to click on the first one, we're going to make that all white. We're going to bring that slider toolbar all the way up. And then where it says black under shadows, we're going to bring that slider tool all the way up. Okay, so the letter's still there, so don't panic. All we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our edit tool, and we're going to click on shadows. And then from there, we're going to click on outline, and that's going to bring back our outline shape. We'll just make it kind of realistic. We'll bring it back down to 7. Okay. And check that out, guys. How cool is that? All right. And then from here, what we'll do is we still have a white border around it. So you see that white border? It's really not a PNG all the way. So what we need to do is create it a third page and change this to a final. Okay, so we're going to bring this, we're going to hit share, we're going to hit download. We'll just get out of that, and we are going to deselect that, make sure that it's on page 2. We're going to click download, boom. Okay, and then once it's done, we'll go ahead and add a third page, and we are going to bring that bad boy in. All right, scale this back out, and then from here, now you can see in positions, you got your white background in the back. All we're going to do is click on edit. We're going to hit background remover, and you're going to see that white block go away right now. And there you go, guys. There you go. All right. And now if you want, you can change this. You can go back to dual tone if you want, and you can change it to any color that you want. All right. You can just pick on your desired colors, and all right, let's keep it like that. And then what we'll do is we are going to create a mock-up. So now what we'll do is go back to elements. We are going to type in wine glass mock-up. All right, and then we'll just click on this first page here, this first one where it says under wine glass mock-up right here. And we'll go ahead and take our image. Let's go ahead and zoom this out. And we'll go ahead and bring that in, and we're gonna let's layer this to the back. Okay, let's bring that out. Okay, and then from here, all we'll do is just remove the background. And let's go ahead and close this out. So we just got the glass. Oops. We'll bring that into the center here. Okay, let's go here. Let's minimize this so we can see. Let's blow this out. All right, just like that. All right. Okay, so now what we'll do is we are going to design this. So just so you all have an image that there's more to this than just this letter to make a design like this unique, right? All right, and then let's just go back and we can just start dressing this up, like just put other little elements that is going to help bring out this letter. All right, and then from here you can just go click on here. Go back to your elements tool. And you got all these varieties to choose from. All right, and then we'll just bring in some more here. Oops. And let's go ahead and copy that, bring that over, let's flip it. Okay. All right, let's give the background a color. And let's go and bring this down here just so you can see. And there you go, everyone. Just by adding these simple steps and adding these extra illustrations can enhance your design. As you can see right there, your design, you can make it pop to intrigue your customer, to help you generate sales for your business. Just remember, as the old saying goes, you get one good review from your customer, he or she is going to go tell 10 more people, and that's how your sales will come down through the pipelines. So if you did find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know what you thought about this video in the comments. I would love to hear your feedback. So with that, you have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week. And peace.